Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. How are you all? I hope that you all will be fine and enjoying your holidays. So my dear students, how's your vacations going? Good? Okay, so my dear students, are you revising your lessons on daily basis? I hope that you all do that. So let's start. As you know that how's the weather like today? Today is sunny weather. SUNNY. Sunny weather. And which is our subject? Our subject is maths. MATH. Maths. Okay, so first we are going to revise the TY words. Start revising it with me. 20. TWENTY. 20. 30. THIRTY. 30. 40. FORTY. 40. 50. FIFFTYT. 50. 60. SIXXTYT. 60. 70. SEVENTY. 70. 80. EIGHTY. 80. 90. NINETY. 90. Okay, so now let's revise the teen words. 13. THIRTWN. 13. 14. FOURTWN. 14. 15. FIFFTWN. 15. 16. SIXXTWN. 16. 17. SEVENTWN. 17. 18. EIGHTWN. 18. 19. NINETWN. 19. Okay, so let's revise the counting. Yesterday we have revised from 20 to 30. Now it's time to revise from 30 to 40. Start revising it with me. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Okay, so now let's revise the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Okay, so now my dear students, let's start the work. Okay, so today is Tuesday. TUESDAY day. Tuesday. What is the date today? Today is 22nd month December. 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 Year 2020. Tuesday 22nd December, 2020. So my dear students, today we are going to do the workbook and our page number is 66. Okay, so our topic is subtraction. And do you know what is the sign of subtraction? The straight line is the sign of subtraction. Subtraction means to subtract the things, to cut down the things. Okay? Okay, so first we have to write the date 22/12/20. As we know that this is our book. Okay, so let's solve it. So here are some leaves. We have to subtract them. 6 minus 1. 6 goes to minus and 1 finger out. Start backward counting. 5. Yes, our answer is 5. Now 5 goes to minus and 1 finger out. Start backward counting. 4. Our answer is 4. Now 6 goes to minus and 3 fingers out. Start backward counting. 5, 4, 3. Yes, our answer is 3. Now 3 goes to minus and 1 finger out. Start backward counting. 1. Now 8 goes to minus and 4 fingers out. Start backward counting. 7, 6, 5, 4. Yes, our answer is 4. So my dear student, do this work on your book, page 66. Color it also and do this in your neat handwriting. Okay, so now my dear students, comes towards the second page. Our page number is 67 and the same topic. Our topic is subtraction. Okay, so first we have to write the date 22, 12, 20. So Mr. Caterpillar helps us out to do this work. Okay, so our exercise is answer me, color me. Okay, now here is the caterpillar and we have to solve it and then we have to color it by the help of these key. Okay, so 8 minus 2. 8 goes to minds and 2 fingers out. Start backward counting. 7, 6. Yes, 6 is the answer. Now 4 goes to minds and 3 fingers out. Start backward counting. 1. 9 goes to minds and 4 finger out. Start backward counting. 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes. 9 goes to minds and 0 fingers out. 0 means nothing. So the answer is same. 9. 9 goes to minds and 2 fingers out. Start backward counting. 8, 7. 7 is the answer. 7 goes to minds and 1 finger out. 6. 8 goes to minds and 3 fingers out. Start backward counting. 7, 6, 5. Yes. 3 goes to minds and 1 finger out. Start backward counting. 2. So we have to color it, the caterpillar, with the help of this key. Number 1, we have to color the red. This is the one. We have to color it red. Number 2, we have to color the pink. This is number 2. We have to color this with the pink. Number 3, green. This is 3 and we have to color it with green. Number 4, purple. This is number 4 and we have to color it with purple pencil. Number 5, yellow. This is 5 and we have to color this yellow. Number 6, orange. We have to color this orange. Number 7, light blue. This hole is the number 7 and we have to color it with the help of light blue pencil. So we have done these 2 pages. Okay, so my dear students, I hope that you all have understand today's work. It is very easy. Do this work in your workbooks on a neat handwriting and color it also. And I hope that you all have do this work. Okay, so take good care of your health. Allah Hafiz.